Look at that. We're in for a bumpy ride tonight. I know there's some tornado warnings from my county, so I'm trying to watch the news and everything, but yeah, air conditioner's cutting on. But yeah, it's storming like to the northwest, like towards Roanoke Rapids. It's storming really bad, and that's where David went. And you can see the lightning. Oh boy. Let's see what we get. Any more lightning over there? Not going on the front porch. Alright, y'all have a safe evening. I'm going to try to myself.